with Michael today, and he is going to share some of his favorite things with us. So, Michael, tell us what we got.
Good morning. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you for having us.
First, we have one of our specialty French toasts. We have 3 specialty French toasts. This is probably one of our most popular. It's our Oreo crusted French toast.
Oh.
So we use our big, fluffy Texas toast. We batter it, and then we actually toss it in Oreo crumbles.
And what is this? Cream?
So that's our homemade cream cheese icing.
Okay.
So this is one of our favorite French toasts.
It's like a dessert.
It is.
That's excellent.
And I eat way too much of it.
You can do it. I cannot. That is fabulous. Is this one of your best sellers?
It is. Between that, we have the 2 other specialty French toasts. We have a fruited French toast that has strawberries, blueberries, and bananas on top. And then we have our apple cobbler French toast, which is similar, except it's tossed in cinnamon toast crunch, and it has our fried apples on the top. So it's hard to pick a favorite between the 3, but they sell pretty well.
That's pretty unique. I would imagine that'd be pretty popular with children.
It is. It's a big fan favorite.
Awesome. All right, let's move along. What do we have here?
All right, so this is one of our many omelets. This is my personal favorite. It's the chicken fajita omelet. So It's our diced chicken, bell peppers, onions, Monterey Jack cheese, and our homemade salsa. And then on the side here we have our homemade sliced potatoes. So we slice red potatoes every morning and we cook them on our flat top grill. You can also get them fried if you like more crispy. I prefer mine fried, but a lot of people like the typical grilled.
Okay, let's try it. Fluffy. Taste a little bit of pepper in there. What else is in there?
So between the peppers, the onions, Monterey Jack cheese, and then the salsa, that's all that comes in it. A lot of people will add different things to it. And then it has the diced chicken, of course. But
excellent. All right, I'm going to try a potato. Is there bacon on that?
No, there's not bacon. The skin crisps up on the grill, so it kind of makes that crispy outer texture.
Very good. Smoky flavor.
It does have a smoky flavor.
I love it. All right. I have a confession, Michael.
Okay.
I ate a piece of that when you
that's our carrot cake.
were in
That's
the kitchen.
our famous carrot cake.
It was looking at me and I couldn't resist it.
We'll get to that.
All right, what do we have here?
So I tried to think of something to do for lunch. We have a pretty expansive lunch menu as well. This is our Reuben. So it's our corned beef Reuben with sauerkraut, Thousand Island. And then on the side we have our homemade potato salad. We also have coleslaw over on the other side. So
Oh yeah, okay.
they're both our side options.
These are all made in-house?
Yep, those are all homemade items. So we make them every day, every morning.
Well, I am going to cut a piece of this because I'm going to save this for my filming person because she actually loves Reubens, and I think she'll want this for lunch later.
So we have 2 types of Reubens. This is our corned beef. We also have a turkey Reuben, so you can get either whatever you prefer, the typical corned beef, or you could go to our turkey.
It's fabulous.
Thank you.
So tender.
It is extremely tender.
And I love, is this a special grain bread?
That's our rye bread. So it's our rye toast.
And it is.
And it's grilled, so it's buttered and grilled, and it all comes together perfectly on the flat top. Paprika. Yeah, the paprika. And those are our same red potatoes that we use for our hash browns as well.
Okay. And the slaw.
That's our homemade coleslaw. Another fan fave.
Got a little bit of sweetness to it.
It does.
I like that.
So Renee, one of our cooks, Renee, makes it every morning. So she's perfected it over the years.
Renee, good job. That is great. What is your best-selling breakfast item?
It's really hard to say what our best seller is. Everything sells pretty well and pretty evenly.
We're always full, and whenever I come here on the weekends, there's always a little bit of a wait, which isn't too long, but
we do stay steady. You know, we're lucky that we have such a great town. We have a great customer basis, and we have a lot of repeat, once and twice a day customers that'll come in and sit at their same spots and order the same things every single morning. But our breakfast menu, we have a lot of our kind of normal breakfast items. We have pancakes and normal plain French toast and waffles. And then we try to do a couple twists here and there. We'll run specialty items, multiple times a week. We'll do chicken and waffles as a special. That's always a great one.
Michael, you said catering, right?
We do a lot of catering.
Okay.
Yeah, we stay busy. We also have our food trailer, so we don't use it as much as I was hoping. We try to find time to use it.
Kind of busy.
Yeah, we do stay pretty steady.
Well, please keep in mind, folks, if you need something catered. I know we've had a couple events here after the theater, and it's been great. So this is one of my weaknesses, carrot cake.
And that is my grandmother's recipe.
Is it really?
It is. And we've had that same recipe. We have it on a whiteboard in the back, so whoever makes it can make sure they follow it to the T.
That is the moistest cake. And the icing, decadent.
It's perfect.
It is perfect.
So we make it every morning. We make one cake at a time. So we try to keep it in stock. A lot of times, unfortunately, we'll run out around lunchtime because I think we get 18 slices out of one cake. So we try to have it. But a lot of times we're unsuccessful. A lot of people will come in and request it because we close at 2 o'clock. So a lot of people will come in around 1 o'clock, 1:30 and want carrot cake, and it's already gone. So it's a come early and get it thing.
Tell us about your hours.
So we're open 7 days a week. 7 a.m. to 2 p.m.
Okay.
So we do breakfast, brunch, and lunch, and we serve breakfast all day. So you have full access to our breakfast menu. You can come in at 1:45, and if you're feeling Oreo French toast, you can get Oreo
Still get
French
it.
toast.
I love that.
So,
Well, I want to show you guys. They have a great selection of apparel here, and Cockeyed Rooster shirts, koozies, hats. Michael has given these to me, but I am going to do some kind of Facebook drawing today for these. So stay tuned to us on our Facebook page, and we'll let you know how you can win these. They also have their own coffee brand over here. And this is a family-run business, guys. This is not a chain store. Great, authentic food, and I invite you to come down and try out the Cockeyed Rooster and meet Michael.
definitely.
Have a great day, guys.
All right, take care.